Hey everyone, since you clicked on this video, I know you are curious about how to automatically add captions to your videos in Canva. Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this tutorial, I will walk you through step by step. First, how to generate captions automatically, how to edit your captions easily, how to change the captions position and add animation, and finally, how to customize captions individually for even more control. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. So open canva.com. Click on create button here and now search video. Here you will get options to select different resolution of video. If you are creating long form video, you can select video landscape, or if you are creating short form video like reels or YouTube shorts, then you can select this one. I am going to select this one. Now as you can see, our new project is created here. You can rename from here your project, or after that you can click on this uploads button to upload your file. You can click uploads to upload your files. I have already uploaded a file to show you how to generate captions. So I will click on this one. Let's resize
The
this.
richest man in China.
Let's listen this.
The richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a
Now I will show you how to generate caption for this. And this is very easy. Go to the text button here, and here you will find dynamic text captions here. Just click on this and select your video from here. If you have 2-3 video here, then here it will show 2-3 videos. You can select from them. Let's select this one. We have only one video, and click on generate captions button here. See, the captions is already generated within few seconds. Let's see this.
The richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a pile of cash in front of a monkey, the monkey will always choose bananas.
See, the caption is generated accurately. Now, what if we want to change caption? Like if there is some spelling mistake on the caption, how can we change that or correct that? So for that, just click on the caption, double click, and here you will find options to change this. See, you can delete or add anything here, as simple as that. Now we will see how to change location of the caption and how to change the animation for the caption. So click on this. If you change the position of this caption, all the captions position will change automatically. Or if you add animation, let's see this one, click on animate here and choose any animation. There are lots of cool animation are there.
The richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a pile of cash.
Now you can see we applied animation on this text only, and that animation applied to all of the caption. See,
The richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a pile of cash in front of a monkey, the monkey will always choose bananas.
okay, now we will see how to change the location of the caption and add animation to the caption. See, if I change the location of this caption here, all the caption are affected by the same location. See,
The richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a pile of
and if I add animation or apply animation to any of the text like this one, first one, click on animate, and here you can see lots of cool animation are there. I will select this typewriter effect, and now see all the text will get affected by that animation. Animation will apply to all the captions.
The richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a pile of cash.
You don't have to apply animation for each text. So now what if you want to apply different animation for different text? So for that you have to ungroup all the text. select the first text and click on ungroup, and this will ungroup all the text. See, and now if I change, this is typewriter animation, and now I will choose different animation for this. Now again select this text, click on animate, and select this one, and again next text, this one, and here I will select different
and a pile of and a,
animation. Now see,
the richest man in China once said, if you put a bunch of bananas and a pile of cash in
you can see this is how you can apply different animation to different text by ungrouping the caption. And you can also change the location also. If I put it here, other text will not get affected by that. See, I change this text location, and other text are not get affected by that. So this is how you can edit captions individually. And one more good thing I want to tell you about this is there is no maximum length of the video that can be captioned on Canva. So you can generate captions for longer video also. So here, and another good thing is that you can here generate Hindi captions too. Now let me show you. Again, go to upload section. I have already uploaded a Hindi video also. Let's create another page. This is Hindi video.
तो अभी जो भी तुम कर रहे हो वो सब छोड़
See, now we will generate caption for this, and again go to text, make sure this video is selected. Okay, now again go to captions, and now here you can see two videos are showing, so we don't want this to be generated caption. For that we want to generate caption for this video. Generate caption. See, the Hindi caption is also generated.
तो अभी जो भी तुम कर रहे हो वो सब छोड़ दो और ये दो काम करो जो कि तुम्हारे 30,000 से भी ज्यादा रुपए बचा सकते.
See, you can generate Hindi captions too. That's a good thing. And that's it. Now you know how to add captions to your videos automatically in Canva. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and for more Canva tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and take care.